Welcome to Quick Tale English. Today's simple story, Hello, my name is Alex, is perfect for your A1 level. Hello, my name is Alex. I am a man. I am 28 years old. My birthday is in June. I live in a city called Brightwood. Brightwood is a big city. My apartment is small and comfortable. I live with my cat. Her name is Luna. Luna is a black cat. She is very quiet. I work in a library. I am a librarian. My job is good. I like books and I like reading. I start work at 9 o'clock every morning. I finish work at 5 o'clock. In my free time, I have hobbies. I like music. I listen to pop music and jazz. I play the guitar sometimes. It is fun. I also love nature. I go to the park every weekend. The park is near my home. I walk a lot. I look at the trees and the birds. I do not like staying inside all day. My favorite color is blue. Blue is the color of the sky. My favorite food is pizza. I eat pizza every Friday. I cook dinner at home most days. I am not a very good cook, but I try. I have one brother. His name is Sam. He lives in a different town. We talk on the phone every Sunday. We are good friends. I am learning Spanish. It is difficult, but I enjoy it. I practice every evening after dinner. I want to travel to Spain next year. I am a happy person. I am quiet, but I am friendly. I like meeting new people, and I like helping them find books in the library. This is me, Alex. I am 28. I live in Brightwood. I am a librarian. I like reading, music, and my cat, Luna. In this story, we mastered the present simple and be verbs. We used simple sentences to talk about jobs, I work in a library, routines, I start work at 9 o'clock every morning, and preferences, my favorite color is blue. Excellent job! Here are some new words we learned today. Librarian, hobbies, guitar, nature, park, quiet, friendly, practice, and travel. If you want more simple stories, grammar lessons, and vocabulary for A1 English, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend. Tell us in the comments, what is your job? We will see you next time. And remember, learning is easy when the story is fun. Until then, stay focused and goodbye.